Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to use Notion as an idea repository. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your thoughts and ideas, and today, you'll learn exactly how to do that. First, we'll make a new page in Notion. Click on the plus new page button on your sidebar. This is where you'll store all your ideas. The reason we do this is to have a dedicated space for your thoughts, making them easy to find when you need them. Now that we've done that, let's create a table. Click on the plus add a block button, scroll down to Database, and select Table. A table will help us to organize our ideas systematically. We can use the columns for different categories like the idea name, description, status, and any notes for further reference. Next up, let's customize our table. Click on the Properties button and add any additional columns you might need. This helps us because it allows you to tailor your idea repository to your specific needs. If you're working on a project, you might add a column for deadlines, or if you're brainstorming blog topics, you might add a column for keywords. Now let's add some ideas. Click on the plus new button in your table and start filling in the details. The reason we do this is to populate our repository with all our thoughts, allowing us to see everything in one place. Lastly, make sure to keep your table updated. As your ideas develop, come back to your Notion page and update the status and notes. This is important as it helps keep your ideas organized and ensures you're always aware of where each idea stands. And that's it. You now know how to use Notion as an idea repository. Keep brainstorming, keep organizing, and keep creating. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.